It really sounds like it's coming from that way to me. I'm gonna turn my head.
Let's turn that off.
Yeah, go. Yeah. You want to
You
get
got
it?
it. You can do it.
Yeah, it sounded like a vehicle. They're right fucking there, dude.
They're like driving around shooting.
Kill the lights. Kill the fucking lights, man. They might shoot at us. Kill it and get low. For real. Hey, wow. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, look at it. Cool. He's a little guy.
He's a survivor.
There's another buck right there. Setting up everything. I told him I'd do that, but he's back at it again for some reason. Alright, so here's the final product. The crabs. Camp. Moon's back out.
Yeah, so this is about a bunch of fucking bullshit. The whole fucking pop-up's fucking destroyed.